Hi, let's learn a new structure, 20-second structure. Let's see what this structure is. The structure is I have something. The structure is I have something. After I have something, we have to use adjective. We have to use adjective plus V1 plus something. This is the structure. I have something plus adjective plus V1 plus something. Now let's see the usage of this structure. The usage of this structure. This structure is used to express that you have something that you need to focus on, or something you need to focus on, or something that you need to take, something that you need to take care of. What is the structure? The structure is used to express that you have something that you need to focus. You have to need to focus on, or something that you need to take care of. Means the structure is used to express you need to take care, or you need to focus on something. You need to take care, or you need to focus on something that what you are doing. Okay. Now let's see some examples. I have something. Yeah. I have something important to discuss with you. I have something important to discuss with you. So here something is there to discuss. Something is there to discuss. Means we have to focus or something. Let's see the second sentence. I have something delicious to cook. I have something delicious to cook for dinner tonight. I have something exciting to tell you. I have something exciting to tell you about my day, or about my day. I have something interesting to show. I have something to show. Phone. Interesting to show you on my phone. I have something urgent. I have something urgent work to go out. I have something urgent work to go out. I have something creative. I have something creative to do this. I have something valuable to share with you. I have something valuable to share with you. I have something fun to do. I have something fun to do with my friends. I have something meaningful to say. I have something meaningful to say at the meeting. I have something challenging. I have something challenging to overcome. I have something challenging to overcome. I have something productive. I have something productive to work. I have something productive to work. I have something confidential to share. I have something confidential to share with you. I have something special. I have something special to celebrate tonight. I have something complex to solve. I have something complex to solve in my task. I have something innovative. I have something innovative in my work. I have something significant to accomplish. I have something to accomplish this week. I have something new to learn. I have something new to learn in this project. I have something unique to offer. I have something unique to offer. Unique to offer to the team. I have something scary to watch. I have something scary to watch. I have something peaceful to read in the park. I have something peaceful to read in the park. I have something dramatic to perform in the play. I have something dramatic to perform in the play. I have something adventurous. I have something adventurous to do. I have something refreshing. I have something refreshing to drink. I have something refreshing to drink. I have something powerful. I have something powerful character story. I have something motivating. I have something motivating to listen. Listen to in my podcast. I have something motivating to listen to in my podcast. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the new session for new structure. Thank you.